Hi, I want to take a minute and just go over the concept of the abolition movement. You got a question wrong on today's assignment. I'm going to give you a quick chance in order to fix this, but in order for that to happen, you need to watch this video. To abolish something means to end something. Today we talk about abolishing the death penalty. Well, in the 1800s, it's abolishing slavery. And if you were in favor of getting rid of slavery, you were called an abolitionist. So just keep in mind, abolition is an end of slavery. And the abolition movement, as I previously said, really is about a legal end to slavery. Most Christian groups in the 1800s saw it as a sin. It was against God's wishes that humans would own other humans. The slave trade was banned by Congress in 1807. These are efforts by abolitionists in order to stop slavery legally. And then in the 1850s, Harriet Beecher Stowe wrote a book called Uncle Tom's Cabin. That's going to convince a lot of people that slavery is something that has to end. It depicts slavery as a dehumanizing, evil institution. Sometimes people felt extra legal means were necessary, and some abolitionists went so far as to support the Underground Railroad. It's a network of people in the 1800s that would help escaping slaves up to freedom in the North, or in some cases Canada. They would provide transportation, they would provide hiding places. So the abolition movement sometimes even went outside the law. In a situation where it stayed in the law, many northern states had banned slavery. In fact, all states north of Maryland had banned slavery by the early 1800s, in large measure due to abolitionists trying to get laws passed at the state level and succeeding. But the next effort in the abolition movement, especially in the 1830s, 40s, 50s, is all about getting a national ban. They want to see this institution end permanently. The picture here says it all. If you look at the man's back, he has been beaten horrifically. We wouldn't treat animals like this, yet we treat a human being like this. Abolitionists say no. If you have any questions, please ask your teacher. Thanks.